Our primary focus for TextMeWhen throughout Mini Project 3 has been the build-out and deployment of our mobile application. At the moment, we have a complete working iOS app with location tracking, an onboarding flow, and working text message integration. The app is deployed to iOS's test flight, and we have an Android version for which we've been maintaining feature parity. Ever since deploying the app, we've been working towards collecting users and iterating upon the feedback that they give us.
This iteration, our priority was getting users, establishing a connection with them in order to obtain feedback. We wanted to iterate and hone in on what features to build and improve. To do this, we put together a landing page to make a mailing list. From the mailing list, we sent out an internal beta invite, and we had 18 beta users participate. Each user tested for at least 3 builds, and we also received approval from Apple to do external beta testing.
Of the 18 beta testers, we conducted 6 user interviews using our working MVP. We helped the users set up their testing environment and then let them onboard themselves to get feedback on our complete app flow. We were very happy to hear positive feedback regarding our app design choices, such as the minimal effort required from the receivers, and we found that 5 of the 6 users said they would use the app every day, including one user who even wanted to integrate it into our daily routine planning. The interviews gave us some key insights into feature improvements, including how to make the app more intuitive. We want our future outlook to be more user-oriented, and we're looking forward to getting even more feedback through more interviews with our beta testers.
From our MP2 feedback, we underwent numerous UI iterations, including wireframing, designing user workflows, adding color schemes, etc., as can be seen here in our collaborative Figma. Similarly, our architecture has also changed from MP2. We pivoted to a platform-agnostic mobile app and underwent multiple refactors to provide robustness for future feature development. We also introduced a landing page and developed a stateless backend to prevent both data loss risks and user privacy issues.
So for technical product ownership, as part of our project management workflow, we've assigned product owners who are experts in their specific area of the application. This has been instrumental in allowing for rapid development when targeting bug fixes and new features.
In one case study, a beta tester reported critical battery drainage issues. As the product owner for the geolocation workflow, having end-to-end knowledge enabled me to quickly identify the source of the bug as unnecessary background tracking, allowing a patch to be deployed in sub 2 days, leading to an 80% increase in battery efficiency. Organization this sprint has improved efficiency due to increased use of Notion tooling and streamlined team processes. In team work sessions, adding priority labels to tickets and the introduction of epics all made it easy to identify high-level goals and tasks critical to product completion. With 80% of tasks completed in the span of 2 weeks, we believe that visibility into tangible processes improved team morale.
We also introduced sprint estimations to allow us to set reasonable goals and reflect on our achievements. At every weekly meeting, we gathered together and discussed the tasks for the week, assigning story points based on the difficulty and time. And then we used this to dynamically adjust our workload based on how busy a week was or to foresee any blockers. At the end of the sprint, we would look back on our accomplishments, talk about what went well, and readjust the estimates. And now we have a great sense of our team velocity and how to adapt to changing environments in the future.
For the retrospective, we iterated on peer feedback that we received during MP2 to build out our app. In terms of our organizational structure, we introduced better organizational principles and practices through technical product ownership, task estimations, etc. We also prioritized user feedback with a preference for quality over quantity in order to iterate over their suggestions. And based on our experiences in MP3, we want to focus on getting additional user feedback, and as new features are introduced, we want to streamline our communication channels in our development team. Now, for future goals and roadmaps, our short-term goal is to acquire 350 signups through this landing page and 100 plus beta users through TestFlight by the end of the month. We then aim to release the app on the App Store sometime early next year. And for our longer-term goals, we're going to continue working on this app through SE490 and SE491. And we aim to achieve 2K daily active users in order to see that there's a need for this product in the market, at which point we aim to have a Google Play Store release and maintain both App Store releases.
Thank you for your time and mentorship. Building this project has been an invaluable experience, and we're so excited for the future of TextMeWhen.